Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to edit main guest in reservation on Expedia. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I'm on the official Expedia website. So to edit your hotel or vacation rental booking, you just have to go to your bookings in your Expedia app or the Expedia website, and then just click on upcoming and select the itinerary that you want to change. In hotel in hotel overview, just select change this reservation and follow the instructions, and then you will be able to change everything related to your reservation. So yeah, that's about it. This is how you do it. If you want to change a vacation rental or other property, in this case your property manager is going to be the person you have to contact. They care of the changes for vacation rentals or other properties. You can find their number in your you can find their phone number in your itinerary tab. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.